Hi, I'm Jo, and in this video I'd like to talk to you about guided skills as part of guided training on our site. On our homepage, if you click on guided training and select guided skills, you will see the course available for all of the 4 skills. Each skill begins with a Get Started section, which gives you information generally about the test and the opportunity to do a practice test. You can then work through the different sections depending on which part you want to focus on. You can register to attend free live classes, or you can watch pre-recorded classes that are in our system. After you have done classes, you should do training, which is related to the classes, followed by practice. So each of the sections has 3 components: class first, then training, and then practice, for you to work through each different section of each different skill. It's a very useful program. Our students like it very much. You can work through the whole program from beginning to end, or you can just choose those parts of the program that you feel are most relevant to you. And of course, you can ask us questions at any time.